working. It's a beautiful day, and I'm just happy to be out here working and talking to you guys. We're out here in Dallas right now at a beautiful property, and we're performing some restoration work for them. As you can see, there's a pool behind me, and what we're doing is we're actually cleaning and sealing the pool deck. The issues that were occurring and when we got called out were when this concrete was installed, the stamped concrete was installed and then it was sealed by the original contractor. Well, as the property owners and the facility managers came up on 10 years, they were doing their regular maintenance, and they hired another contractor to come out and reseal the concrete to make sure that it's going to be free of contaminants, it's not going to deteriorate, and we want the longevity out of the asset. Well, line of the sight deficiencies just are a no-go here, all right? As you can see around, there's a really high-end area. They don't want it looking like trash. They maintain their properties to the best of their ability, and they called us out because they knew they needed a solution. They needed it done right. When that second contractor came in and was hired to reseal the concrete, what they failed to do was remove the original acrylic sealer. So what they did was essentially my best analogy is that they painted over rust. So they didn't remove the old sealer, which was deteriorating, and then they applied a new one on there, and now that's starting to deteriorate. So what you have, and we have some photos to document the difference between a freshly cleaned sound substrate, which is what we're trying to obtain here, and then reseal properly, and the current condition that it's in right now. And what's happening is efflorescence, when salt deposits basically get backed up with moisture infiltration, it starts bringing that stuff out of the concrete, and it leaves this grayish white residue and blotchy stains all over the concrete. And you can see by the color, it really stands out, and it just doesn't look good. So what we have to do is we have to pressure wash, we have to apply a cleaner, and then we're gonna actually come back, reseal it properly, and in addition to that, we're gonna re-caulk all the concrete joints to make sure that the deck is completely watertight.